Good morning, everybody. This is Tish just doing what you do with Miss Tish. Guess what? I came out in my garden to water my garden this morning. I used to get out of at 6:30, but it's after 7. Today is 4th of July. Yeah, so I'm out here in the garden to water because, watering your garden tasks, guess what? It don't stop for nobody, okay? Remember that. Well, anyway, I wanted to tell you something. I came out, my fence was up, the little fence I had, but it had big holes and everything. I walked through, talking to my mom right now. See right there, let's see. Talking to my mom right now. She didn't know I just showed you to her. But anyway, so I'm going to show you the garden. And I came just walking through this briefly before I set up everything. I noticed that the corn that was back here that was up high, it didn't do well. It didn't germinate good this year. It was turning brown. It was already died out and everything. So I saw the corn and it was no corn. Nothing in the bed. I see all the shucks down here behind the fence, and I like, okay, maybe the rabbit got in the big holes. The little gate I had up had big hole. Maybe the rabbit got there. I said, but nothing in the garden was messed up. Nothing in the garden was messed up. But guess what? I saw this thing was ate down. Okay, hold on a minute. I gotta move the water hose. Hold on 1 second. So this is what it looks like. Look at this. Look at this. I wasn't gonna, because it wasn't edible. I was gonna pull it up and throw it in the woods. I ain't gotta do that because I'm looking. I said maybe the rabbit came through. I seen the shucks right here. Now I start seeing on the outside. So I'm gonna take a trip on the backside. Wow. I think Juan is still here. I just saw him. He might have went out. Juan. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna walk back there by myself. Hold on 1 second, and we're gonna take a trip behind the fence line and see was it a deer or a rabbit. Okay, let's take a walk. Walking through, see how big the fence. So that's why I thought it was a rabbit maybe got through. But the rabbit, nothing else. He would have ate my greens. So this is what I see also. This is ate up more. Well, I can't say it's ate up more because it looks like it's growing back potatoes. So let me take a trip around here. We're gonna walk around the fence, and I'm gonna show you something. This is evidence right here. My mom said it could be a squirrel, but I don't know because squirrels they don't care. They come some more shucks of the corn right here. So I know there are a family of deers back in this woods. I'm not gonna go too far because and my loofah just coming all out. But what I saw back here through the fence line was corn. I saw shucks of corn back here. I'm gonna try to walk easy because I am, I'm a little scary. See right here, look at it. Back here, make sure ain't no spider webs. Look, right there, see? Coming on out. And my fence is pushed. It's like it's leaning now. The fence line is leaning. So I'm not gonna walk over, but what's that right there? Husk from the corn going toward the woods. So that tell me deers that came up here, saw the corn, went through there, and they pushed the fence to get what they saw, what they wanted. Something right there that tells me that deer saw that corn and they said, look, we hungry. She ain't got no more food out here. And we got access and I ain't sprayed nothing yet. They coming all in the yard. The animals are coming out. They're coming out to eat and they don't even care no more. So now I've realized that maybe it was the deer because my fence is pushed back. Something been pulling against my fence. So I was gonna throw it out anyway, but they got their early eating already. Look at that beautiful butterfly. Early eating already. Mom, what you think?
I don't know what to think, tell you the truth.
But the evidence showing me that the deer probably got it because the corn husk is going towards the woods and they done ate what they want to eat and left it right there at the pathway going back up into the woods. And I see husk on the outside of the fence. If that was a squirrel, it'll be more damage up in my garden. Other things would have been eaten because they like leaves and plants and stuff like that, but they haven't been in my garden at all. So I'm thinking that it's a deer. because now I could just pull that up. I'm not worried about it because it wasn't nothing I could be able to salvage or eat because I'm going to throw it out there anyway, but they got it before I do it. Only thing I'm concerned now, they pushing my fence because it's not as sturdy, because now I'm going to have to get the let me see, the beams up in the back to support the fence, because now they're pushing it out. So I'm thinking if they do it again, they're going to just push my fence line down maybe, but it's kind of sturdy, so but I'm still gonna support it more. So doing what you do, this is Tisha's doing what you do with Miss Tish. I'm checking in my garden, watering. I'm not gonna be out here long. And hey, a deer attack. That's what happened today. A deer attack. Talk to you soon. Bye now.